So, you finally decided to learn about screenwriting. You've made an account and chosen your preferred screenwriting software, and you're ready to get those ideas out into the world and become a real film magnate. Look at you. Now, you're staring at the blank page, ready to type those first words. Before you get to your characters and create your worlds and stories, the first thing you need to understand is formatting. First, you'll need to create your project. We're going to be using Writer Duet. From there, you'll find yourself on the title page. Title page. Here, you'll write down your project's title, writer names, and an email/phone number for contact purposes. There are usually options to write down an address, but it's not necessary. When you finally get to writing the first page, you might be wondering how to start off your script. A common way to start off your script is by using fade in. If you are going to do this, not only would you put fade out at the end of the script, but do not use fade in or fade out for scene transitions. Once you've dealt with that, you can start off your scene with its respective scene heading. There are 3 parts to the scene heading: interior and exterior, location, and time of day. Your scenes could be in all sorts of different places. Your friend's backyard, a random parking lot, in a shopping cart, or a children's playground in the middle of the night. It's not creepy, it's creative. And fun. You could just be in the desert. A lovely location. I can't ramble that long. You look so excited to be here. Wow, look at our little character. Oh, someone's getting a little upset. Time to get rid of him. Anyways, if you have multiple rooms or areas within one larger location, you can also add a sublocation to your scene heading. Location-sublocation. Finally, set the time of day for your scene. Generally, if you're working off a smaller budget, you'll want to use basic times of day and night. If you have a larger budget, you can get into more specific times of day, but normally stick to day and night. Once you're done with the scene heading, you can move on to your action line/slug line. Always remember to have the action lines before writing dialogue at the start of every scene. Keep your lines brief and to the point. If it's only one character in the action lines, you don't need to repeat their name. The info you write here is reserved for what's appearing on the screen at that moment, nothing else. Action lines also introduce characters in all caps, along with their age or age range. Before you get to your dialogue, let's talk about parentheticals.
Parentheticals are generally used to express a character's tone when they are speaking, try to avoid chewing it too often. Parentheticals can also be used for character interruptions.
Those are all the basic things you need to know in regards to screenplay formatting. There's a lot of niche or obscure recommendations out there, but we've mainly explained the most important tips, so you can start writing and learn from there. Good luck!